We have with us the cast of Bindiya Ke Bahubali. First, let's talk to the director. Amitji, when we talk about Bindiya Ke Bahubali, you've previously also given so much to the industry, to the film industry, and especially to the web series. What led you to pick up this term, Bindiya Ke Bahubali?
Well, first of all, Bindiya is a fictional city, and the word in Hindi represents reputation and everybody what we consider to be sort of respect for us as human beings. Precious, right? Bindiya. So to name a city that and create a universe there was sort of a starting point. And then Bahubali as a word represents all the crazy characters that we have. In a way that every human being wants to be a gangster.
In the world of gangsters, how do you think playing the role of a cop, how do you justify that?
Very interesting. And Murli Manjhi DSP हैं जो बिंदिया में क्लीन अप के लिए आते हैं. क्या कर पाते हैं क्या नहीं कर पाते हैं, that's for you to see in the show. But very cool customer. I think that's the only phrase that comes to mind for Murli Manjhi.
How do you see the transition from cinema, first of all from cinema screens to television and then to OTT platform?
Well, I have never really considered them different. For me, filmmaking is just one. How it's distributed, whether it is seen in cinema halls, whether it's seen at home on TV screens or consumed on your handheld device, I have never really considered those factors. I look at great stories to tell, great scripts, the way the story is told, great parts, good directors. These are the things that matter to me.
And Pankaj, when we talk about it, putting them in numbers and making them interesting, it's altogether a different game ball. How do you see the changing landscape?
I think the landscape is now completely moving towards digital to a great extent. That is not to say that cable and satellite is dead. Cable and satellite has declined, but free dish, for example, is continuously growing, which is through the cable mode, yet it is free for consumption. India is a free market. Free dish has crossed 65 million in India, crossed 64, touching 65 million. Cable and satellite is quite stagnant but is degrowing relative to digital, because digital you've got multiple explosions, Facebook, you've got Google, they're continuously growing. So in terms of revenues, today digital stands at almost 900 billion rupees, which is 90,000 crores, with TV at about 70% of that. So having said that, habits die hard. TV is here to stay for a while, not forever. Digital is there for a longer time.